What's good, y'all, man? It is your boy Sniper Kicks. In today's video, man, we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake that sneaker resellers are making. And you already know it is April right now, and it is tax time, and the tax deadline is April 18th. So I've been getting a lot of messages from Snipe Gang members asking me like, hey Sniper, man, I'm all confused with taxes. It says I'm making this much money, but I didn't make this much profit. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I didn't track my inventory. I didn't track my miles. I didn't track anything. So now they are very worried because their 1099 form is telling them that they're making all this money, but in reality, they did not make that much money. But guys, let's first talk about the American Rescue Act. I mentioned it in a couple of my videos. The American Rescue Act basically changed the threshold from being $20,000 to $600, where you will receive a 1099 from an entity. That's StockX, that's GOAT, that's eBay, that's basically anywhere that's paying you money. They will send the IRS how much they paid you once it's $600. Yes, there's some places like Zelle that doesn't send 1099s, but for the most part, a lot of places send 1099s. So when you get a 1099, that means the IRS knows that you received money. So if you do not report your taxes, there might be a problem. So right here in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the biggest mistakes, the top biggest mistakes. I have separate videos really talking about taxes and going in depth about it, but today I'm just talking about the biggest mistakes that a lot of people are making, because I've been getting a lot of messages of people panicking about taxes and making a lot of money according to their 1099. Again, a 1099 just tells the IRS how much money that entity ended up giving you, but that doesn't mean you're gonna pay taxes on all that money. So let's dig into this video and give you guys some information that can help you guys to save money and put money in your pocket and lower that tax bill. Because now reselling, man, once you hit $600, man, is treated like a business. So you're gonna have to pay taxes, and you can't go under the radar unless you're just doing cash transactions or strictly Zelle. But again, I recommend everybody to do their taxes because that is just the right thing to do. But guys, the first biggest mistake that sneaker resellers are making is that they're not actually tracking their sales, and they're not tracking how much money they spent for the shoe. Because again, the IRS is only gonna tax on your profits. They're not gonna tax on all the money that you create. So you have to know how much you paid for a shoe, and you have to know how much you ended up selling the shoe for. Because if you don't know those things, you don't know how much a tax deduction you can take the revenue that the 1099 said you created. Because again, you have to deduct the cost of goods sold. So I recommend everybody, once you buy a shoe, number one, keep the receipt and have an Excel file stating every single shoe that you bought. I personally use QuickBooks Self-Employed because it streamlines everything for me. I never have to worry about anything that I buy because I only use my different business cards to actually buy shoes. So it's streamlined in my QuickBooks Self-Employed. So it's very easy for me to track those as expenses and cost of goods sold, which will deduct my taxes. I've been having a lot of members DMing me telling me, hey Sniper, I haven't been keeping the track of the shoes that I bought, so I have no clue what I'm gonna actually put for cost of goods sold. And guys, you need to keep track, especially if you're gonna resell sneakers. It is a business that you're doing now. You're giving people product and they're giving you money for it. So now it's a business, and now the IRS are expecting for you to actually treat it like a business and stay organized. So guys, please make sure you're tracking everything that you buy. If that is in Excel, if that's in QuickBooks Self-Employed like I use, there are other apps as well, but you know, QuickBooks is my go-to. But guys, man, make sure you're tracking, man. I'm gonna say that, make sure you're tracking so you do not overpay on your tax bill, and you can lower that tax bill so you're paying less money. And the second thing I'm gonna talk about that most sneaker resellers are just missing the boat on, they're really missing the boat on this right here, is actually tracking your miles. Us sneaker resellers are always driving to pick up shoes. We're going to different flex stores, we're going to different sneaker events, we are going everywhere trying to get sneakers. And you actually driving to pick up sneakers is a tax deduction. So guys, you need to keep track of your miles. Again, I use QuickBooks Self-Employed, but there's different things like Miles IQ. There's other apps that actually track your miles. But you add up all the miles that you're actually driving to all these different places, you are going to save a lot of money and keep money in your pocket. That's the main thing, is to keep money in your pockets, guys. So I'm telling you right now, just be organized, man. Be organized with what you're doing, because you want, I'm gonna say it again, to keep money in your pocket. There's other things I can touch upon, but those are the two main things. Your cell phone's a tax deduction. You know, if you have an office-based sneaker room like what I'm in right now, tax deduction. You going on different trips for sneakers, tax deduction. Anything you do, boxes, printers, different things, tax deduction. Anything that you're using to create profit in your business is a tax deduction. So guys, man, make sure you are doing these things, because I do not want to hear people next year saying like, hey Sniper, I'm lost, I just got a 1099 and they're saying I'm making this much money and I do not know what to do. So guys, make sure, man, you are on your P's and Q's, because now you are actually doing business. You have a shoe, you're selling it, they're giving you money back. That is a business, especially if you're using all these sites like StockX, Go, and all these eBays. You gotta keep track of that stuff so you can actually keep money in your pockets and you can keep moving forward. So guys, man, I wanna make a quick video about this topic because I've been getting a lot of messages regarding this, because again, April 18th is the deadline and I wanna keep you guys prepared to stay organized. And when you stay organized, you will actually keep money in your pocket, because we all want to keep money in our pockets. Really do appreciate you guys, man. So guys, I'll keep you guys informed with everything regarding sneakers. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course hit that notification bell. Guys, really do appreciate you guys. You already know Snipe Gang goes crazy and Sniper Kicks out. Peace.